village in Barangay Piaz, which was constructed to provide a decent housing for the poorest section or sector of the town. The question is, do you believe that having hovering projects should be given a priority by, or do you believe, let me repeat that, do you believe that housing projects should be given a priority by the local government, and why?
Yes, of course, it should be prioritized because most of the people here in the Philippines are poor, so the president should have the priority for the poor people to provide a good house, quality future, and for their children, and so that for the future, housing projects given to the poor people give them hope and courage to continue living and to have their existence, because I know that every existence has its own purpose, and it is being a leader, and because being a leader is, leaders are the ones shape and determine one's future.
Thank you. Candidate number 10. And now let's have candidate number 15. Please pick your number. Okay, picture number 2. Let's take a look at it. So that is the Gamutan sa Barangay, which was implemented in July 2010 under the first term of Mayor Tita Go Abrenica. It was aimed to bring health services and doorstep of the town people. The question is, do you believe health services should be given a top priority by the local government, and why?
I believe that the health,
do you believe that health services should be given a top priority by the local government? Health services.
I believe that the health services should be prioritized by the local government because 46% of Filipinos has a $1 basic per day. That's why I believe this will prove that Filipinos are dignified and decent to present that gamutan sa barangay before you. That would be all.
Thank you. Candidate number 15. Next we have candidate number 12. Should pick number 1 picture.
Let's take a look at picture number 1. Okay. Another famous landmark here in Villages, the Villages Town Hall. It is a landmark because of its distinct yellow color. It is bright and transparent, a symbol of the kind of governance that the town has. This is the question. Why do you believe transparency in government is important? Why do you believe transparency in government is important?
Transparency in government is very important because everything that goes in a certain municipality or town should be known, each and every one of its population or people around its town, so that the people around that town will be able to know all the contents of the programs and all that is happening to his or her hometown. And one more thing is, transparency is that you are able to give back all the things that is needed to be given back to your own co-Villazonians. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 12. Now let's call in candidate number 17. Picture number. Kindly open it. 10. Picture number 10, please. Okay, that is the famous Palong Festival street dancing. Are you familiar with that? Yes, a yearly activity during the annual Sound Fiesta. The question is, what is the relevance of this event to Villasis?
The relevance of the street dance performances of the Palong Festival represent the life that flourishes within the Pangasinan region, in which we call the vegetable bowl of Pangasinan. We have many crops that grow here. Life is abundant. We have very many crops, and it allows to feed us all, to give us life and nourishment. It is a wonderful thing that we have, and so it celebrates life, and that is beautiful.
Thank you. Candidate number 17. Finally, let's have candidate number 13. That's number 4 picture. Let's take a look at it. There. That is the new legislative building, which came from the proceeds of the Sound Fiesta 2012. It was renovated to provide a more spacious and conducive place where the Sangguniang Bayan can enact ordinances for the benefit of the townspeople. The question is, what particular ordinance do you want to be enacted that will benefit the youth, and why?
If I were given a chance to suggest a particular ordinance that would benefit the youth, it would be to promote education, because education is really important for us. We all know that the youth is the hope of humanity. So without education, we won't be able to give you hope, we won't be able to do things for Villasinians, and it is really necessary for us to be educated, for us to know what to do, for us to know what to do more for the development and progress of Villasis. Because, you know, being Villasinian is really an honor, and giving back is one way to honor it more. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 13.
So, how would you judge
That completes the
this
picture
particular